Kapatisi TV.
Miturang ba kajela konrat kongka sangma hagash potri ukalalang kod arata apun rio. Ula Kyrpad iki Paidbah ka rilum garu menpene ya ka syongsuk syongsan hadian ba Uwei ubri ulayam bat kiwei pat klamen saw na ka jingsha thambor hakibriu kibamla ban itu hawes garu his district. Ya uni balakhla no la itu kerteng kum udiseng sangma ubade udukot jong ka seng bhalang kabalatip kerteng kum ka aching. Halor kene jingja miturang ba hau kerwo bala pha shikila pathai khubor ulai tho balai ngut kibri kla shakem hadian baklami ke jinga pin ibor hapdeng ki arkan hun hajan gasnong raja bala haba penramjur ya kene ke jingja miturang ba ulaong ba ki pulit kla yok kem ya lai ngut kibri kiberan kti na ki chaka ba pher balai thuru ba ki pulit ka west garu hills kidang treshitam banthuet lot ya kibri kiberan kti halor kene ke jingja Hakabaya day bakaniu district magistrate jongka west garu hills ulakhot daka jingalang yiki kunhun mapera man thau daka peace committee naga bentaban penne yaka syongsuk syongsan hapo ka district.
Friends, yesterday there was a very tragic and a very unfortunate incident that took place in Garo Hills where one youth lost his life and one was seriously injured. We condemn this particular incident and at the same time express our condolences to the members of the bereaved family. Last night, the West Garo Hills police was very swift and multiple raids were made in different locations. 3 people have been arrested and the police is working tirelessly to find the rest of the people who were involved in this heinous crime. Today, the Deputy Commissioner has called different members of civil society to form a peace committee and to ensure that all related matters are discussed in detail. At this point in time, I would like to urge the citizens of Garo Hills that we must ensure that peace and communal harmony continues to be there in Garo Hills. There will be a lot of news that may be circulated in social media. Please filter them carefully. At this point in time, let me assure the citizens that the police and the administration is on its job and we will ensure that strict action and all the people involved in this heinous crime are brought to justice.